Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced changes to weekend curfew measures aimed at limiting the spread of COVID-19. Mr. Holness, who is still speaking in Parliament at this moment, also said Labor Day will be a no-movement day. Now, Vashon Brown has been following the proceedings and now joins us live in studio. Vashon, what's the latest?
All right, thank you so much, Herman. Now, the island's COVID-19 positivity rate yesterday reached the lowest point since February of 8.5%. For Prime Minister Andrew Holness, this is a significant reduction, an indication, he says, that cases are trending down. But he cautioned that any celebration at this stage would be premature. What he was convinced of, however, is that the numbers are heading in the right direction. He says this is an indication that the measures implemented have been effective in slowing down the virus. Now, just moments ago in Parliament, he said the Ministry of Health has recommended that the current measures remain in place for the next 6 weeks, but there will be changes to the weekend curfew measures.
The weekend curfews, Madam Speaker, for the next 4 weeks, the next 4 weekends, the weekend curfew will start at 6 p.m. on a Saturday and end 5 a.m. on the following Sunday. It will begin again at 2 p.m. on the Sunday and end on 5 a.m. on the following Monday. And this will go on for the next 4 weekends.
Now, the weekday curfew measure will continue to start at 8 p.m. each day and end at 5 a.m. the following day until June 3. There will also be changes to the curfew measures for Labor Day.
On Monday, the 24th of May, 2021, there will be an all-day curfew. So that will be a no-movement day. Therefore, on Sunday, May 23rd, the curfew will begin at 2 p.m. and it will go right through Monday and end at 5 a.m. on Tuesday, the 25th of May. So there will be some adjustments which Minister Grange will announce for Labor Day.
Now, as for education, students sitting exit exams will have an opportunity to attend physical classes.
Cabinet has therefore given approval for the resumption of face-to-face instruction as of Monday, May 10th, 2021, for those students sitting the PEP grade 6 ability test and those in grades 11 to 13 to sit the Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate CSEC and the Caribbean Advanced Proficiency Examination CAPE, the City and Guilds and the National Vocational Qualifications, or NVQJs.
Now, the other major announcement related to travel restriction. The Prime Minister said more countries will be added to Jamaica's travel restriction list.
We are extending the travel restrictions that we have to include India and Trinidad and Tobago, effective Wednesday, May 5, 2021, until the 2nd of June, 2021. The travel ban for South American countries, Brazil, Chile, Peru, Colombia, Argentina, and Paraguay, is also being extended until the 2nd of June 2021. Of course, we continue to reassess these as circumstances warrant.
Now, as you mentioned, Herman, the Prime Minister is at this hour still speaking in Parliament, and we will continue to update you on his other announcements. So it's back to you.
All right, thank you very much, Vashon Brown, there with the latest from Parliament.